Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tower Destiny Survive. To begin, your main goal is to protect your core from relentless enemy waves. You will strategically place various towers along the enemy paths to eliminate threats. As you defeat enemies, you earn valuable currency. Use this currency to upgrade your existing towers or build new ones, strengthening your defenses. Remember, if your core's health drops to 0, the game ends, so careful planning is key. Now, let's talk about your arsenal of towers. Tower Destiny features many different tower types, each with distinct attack styles and ranges. For instance, you might use an Area of Effect tower to clear groups of weaker enemies, placing it near their spawn points. Conversely, single-target towers are excellent for taking down high-health bosses. Strategic placement is crucial. Try to create long, winding paths that force enemies to pass through your tower's firing lines multiple times. Effective resource management is vital for long-term survival. As you progress, you'll earn more currency, which you can spend on upgrades. Focus on enhancing towers that are performing well and dealing significant damage. Sometimes, it's better to upgrade a few key towers to their maximum potential rather than spreading your resources too thinly across many. Also, don't hesitate to sell a poorly placed or underperforming tower. You'll recover a portion of its cost, allowing you to reallocate funds more effectively. To truly master Tower Destiny, you'll need to employ advanced tactics. Pay close attention to the enemy types in each wave. Some might be resistant to certain damage types, requiring you to adjust your tower choices. Don't forget to use any special hero abilities or active skills you might have. Timing these can turn the tide of a difficult wave. If a wave breaches your defenses, quickly rebuild and reinforce before the next one arrives. Continuous adaptation and experimentation are key to surviving the toughest challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.